Go. Stop it, Chrissy, you're filthy. Anyway, so I told Ben that I liked him, and it was a little bit awkward, but I was laughing the entire time, so it was okay, because it was really funny, so it was alright. And we got a recording of it, the voice recording, and we shall play it, if I can figure out how to. You can do that. So yeah, here we go.
Oh, no, we're not.
Alright,
so let me pause our music.
Alright,
You know.
here we go.
Okay.
Don't make fun of me, guys. This is embarrassing. No. That's what he said. Oh, his voice is on there. Oh, cool.
So you can listen to it.
I know.
She can jack off to Ben's
No,
voice.
stop. Okay.
Wait, that was it?
So,
You only told him
basically what happened was I walked in, I was laughing hysterically, and I was sweating, and I'm sweating again, and I was really red.
She was so red. Like,
and-
she would not stop laughing. Like, here's, like, I took so many recordings because this
And-
bitch is just like,
So we're like cracking up, and he's giving me these weird looks, like, what is going on? So I finally walk in, I'm just like, alright, Ben. I'm like, I have to tell you something that I've been waiting to tell you for a long time, and we start cracking up, and then it made it even more funny, because as soon as I said that, he, like, had his laptop,
He
and
moved
immediately-
everything
he
and took
removed
his-
everything, and he
took
sits
his
there just
headphones
like
out.
this, and he just very intently
this.
listened, and that's why we started busting up laughing, because he's just sitting there, like, waiting, like, okay. So then after we got over our laughing spell, I was just like, I think you're really cute, and I just kind of blurted it out, and we started
She just
laughing
said,
again.
and his answer to that was, "Thank you, I really appreciated that."
Yeah, so it was really sweet. I mean, I wasn't expecting anything else, so everyone was like, that's all he said, but it doesn't really matter. I just really needed to get it out, and I feel a lot better now.
He totally knew too.
Yeah, he knew. He said he knew since before break. So, yeah. But that's kind of...
And then he took me
That's
out.
No. Oh, man.
Either that
So-
or get out of here, bitch. I don't like it.